Yo, what's up guys and back with this news, and 2026 is going to be a huge year for Samsung. They started the foldable smartphone trend 7 years ago, but the game is about to change. Why? Because Apple is finally expected to enter the foldable market. Samsung can't just play the safe anymore, they need a device that can actually beat the new competition. And that device is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. The specs has just leaked, and if they are real, Samsung is finally giving us the upgrades we've been asking for since day one. Let's get straight to the best part, the screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 will likely keep the 6.5-inch cover screen and the 8-inch main display from the Z Fold 7, but there is a massive change on the glass. Samsung is reportedly using a dual ultra-thin glass structure with a laser-drilled metal spot plate. What does that actually means? It means the crease is almost gone. Samsung showed this panel at CES 2026 and it looks incredibly smooth. This is a big move because Apple's rumored foldable is also expected to use a screen made by Samsung, and if Samsung wants to stay ahead, they have to make sure their own phones feel like original and the best before iFold even arrives. Now let's talk about what's inside. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to run Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. You will get either 12GB or 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. Basically, it's a powerhouse, but the real upgrade is a battery. Samsung is finally jumping to a 5000 mAh of battery with a 45 watt of fast charging. That's a huge step from the 4400 mAh of battery and a slow 25 watt of charging we have seen for years. But there is more. This phone is supposed to be thinner and lighter than Galaxy Z Fold 7. Usually a bigger battery means a thicker phone, so if Samsung finally pulls this off, it's a massive win for everyone. And now if we talk about the cameras, we're looking at 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultra wide and a 10MP telephoto camera. Samsung is finally making the Fold's camera as good as Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So why are all these upgrades so big this year? It's all about Apple. Apple is rumored to launch their foldable in late 2026 and Samsung has had this market to themselves for a long time. But they know that once Apple enters, people will start comparing every little detail. By removing the crease and fixing the battery now, Samsung is trying to make sure people have no reason to switch when the iPhone foldable finally drops. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 looks like a foldable we have always wanted. It's faster, has a better camera, a bigger battery, and most importantly, no more crease. Well, let me know in the comment sections what you think about this device. Are these upgrades enough to keep you on the Samsung team, or are you waiting to see what Apple does later this year? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.